I'm going to be sharing an example from the New Jersey Science State Test, an 8th grade example item. So in this example item, I'm going to give you the context a little bit, and then I'll show you the visualization that we're asking our students to make sense of. Students are given a figure. I'll show you that in a moment. And they are asked to look at this figure as it shows the relationship between the discovery of new oil reserves and human consumption of oil. So right off the bat, step one, we are asking our students in 8th grade, which is totally age appropriate, to compare the relationship of two different variables and think about how those two variables are related to one another. Discovery of new oil reserves, human construction of oil. Thinking back to the question stem, we had oil and reserves. Okay, and so, or actually, discovery of oil. So we look over at our primary y-axis and we see we have annual oil discoveries minus annual consumption in billions of barrels. So the question stem asked us to look at the relationship between discoveries and consumption. Okay, but now what we're actually looking at as the variable on the visualization is a difference between discoveries and consumption. So this is a delta variable. This is a constructed variable where we have taken two variables, the amount of discoveries per year and the amount of consumption per year, and we have created a new variable. This, by the way, is a very helpful thing to get our students doing and practicing as they're working with data, because we do this a lot. We collect information, but that's in its individual pieces isn't actually what we want to look at. It's the combination of the two. And so through different algorithms, aka subtraction, multiplication, different things like that, addition, we often combine two variables of data together to get the one that we're actually interested in looking at.